Guys, today I'm going to show you this super simple marble, really cute neon set that I made, and also review the Rosalind summer neon gel polish kit that I got. I hope I'm saying that name right. Everything will be linked below, but this is an 8-piece kit. Each bottle is 5 milliliters, and this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, these boxes are so cute. There's little instructions and frequently asked questions on the back. I've already bought these sets before, so I've already went over them, but this is how you pull them out. Now, I will say, compared to the other set, you see here the comparison, you could see the colors on top, and this set that I got only showed numbers on top, which I didn't really like that much because the way I store them, I cannot see the color facing up for this set. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started with some swatches here. All of the colors, I will say, my honest review, this one I didn't shake up. I shake up the next one really well, but they are a little sheer, which I guess I kind of expected for a neon type of look, and it goes well for what I did with this design with the marble and everything. But I would say, you'll see a little bit later, this is one coat, but I show you in the end all the colors with 2 coats. If you wanted full like coverage, I would say over clear tips, maybe 2 to 3 coats. If you had like the bigger bottle and you can get more gel out, maybe 2 coats. But things like this blue one that I just showed, maybe 2 was good for, because that's more opaque. But the rest of these, like more neon-y ones, 2 to 3 coats. But obviously in this design, again, I'm doing marble. I'm gonna use this design for some tropical artwork. I'm going to Hawaii next month, you guys. So for my tropical artwork and stuff, I don't need a bunch of coats. So these little bottles for like accent pieces are really great for me. But yeah, I loved the color. Just wanted to let you guys know you do need 2 to 3 coats, other than for like that blue and that like fiery red on the other hand there. But here they are, and I'll link everything below if you want to check out their sets. You guys, I got these new medium square tips because I want to actually have my own nails done, and I don't wear extra long nails, and I love these. I will link these below. Absolutely recommend. They are the perfect length for me. You guys saw in the beginning of the video and the thumbnail how they looked on my nails. Oh, that's a little sneak peek of my Adventure Time nails. But yeah, I think square nails work for me because I have a wider nail bed. So I don't usually do like almond stiletto, stuff like that. But the square looks like really good on me. I started out with my 2 GAOY colors. I show those in most of my videos whenever I'm doing a nude. And then when I do marble, I do base coat. It helps. Like, I know people use blooming gel, but just literally use base coat. Does the same thing. And then I mix usually 2 colors, white and base gel. So that's what I have behind me. This green, you guys, like, I just wanted to try and use all the colors, but like the green doesn't go. Like, we know that. We saw it in the video. The green does not go. This was green and purple. Just looked like, I don't know, dumpster, Oscar the Grouch. Like, it was giving something else. It could have worked because I do absolutely love green, but it didn't go since all the rest were like reddy, pinky colors. But yeah, there's that one. I should have done green and yellow. But you guys, I was making like an actual set for me to wear out because I'm going to dinner tomorrow. And first time wearing these, no lie, I already got compliments on them. Like, you know, without me putting my nails in someone's face, like, oh, what do you think? No, I actually got compliments. So I was really happy. But yeah, this pink and baby blue was it. Like, this one is so pretty. All of the color combos. This next one I do too. Oh no, it's not next. I did it next on the other hand. But the purple and pink one is also really pretty too. So all these combos look really nice. I will say, when I did my second hand that you'll see in a second, I didn't really like mix them up as much on the plate, so they didn't come out as marbly. But this first hand, the colors like really separated really well. And here's the purple one that I was talking about. I'm actually looking at them on my nails right now, but I was looking at the wrong hand. But yeah, this purple and pink, oh, so gorgeous. Well, right now, like I showed you, I'm working on the Adventure Time nails, so I'm working on like drawing the rest of the characters and stuff like that. But I am gonna start practicing like I wouldn't say simple sets, but like bling simple sets, because I did order some rhinestones, like bigger stones and different stones. And then just working on like my French tip and stuff like that, because I want to be able to wear my nails out more. So I want to practice those types of looks, because I know I do like the artwork and stuff, and that's for fun and like my own creativity that I like doing that. But I'm not usually wearing those nails out. Those are just for me to save and look at and be happy. Oh, and I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, you know, like, comment, subscribe, talk to me. I love chatting with you guys and seeing your comments. It's really cool over here. Most of my videos are, well, they're all nails. I might do like DIY, like other type of nails that aren't press-ons and nail art and stuff like that. But I'm always talking and chit-chatting, so feel free to chat with me below. And here we're just doing the second one. You'll kind of see I have to like try and mix up the colors more, because I thought I had enough on my plate for both hands, but I didn't. So yeah, I'll let you watch this and listen to some music that I put in here. Okay, so I did want to say, because we already talked about this green and I didn't really like it, so this time I was trying to do like less purple, because I thought the purple was what was making it look like, I don't know, like garbage, like brown. I don't know, garbage is not brown. We love brown over here. But yeah, so I tried to put more white. So you'll see on this hand, like I'm looking at this hand right now, I do like it better than the other one, but honestly they look kind of similar. I don't know. Either way, I really like this set. And like I said, with this color, this kit, it really works well for like marbling, like nail art, design, stuff like that. I don't know if I would suggest just your full hand, like doing full color with it, because this set only has 5 milliliter bottles and you need like 3 coats each. So like what, you're gonna do your nails like 2 times? I don't know. But the colors are amazing. If they sell these, maybe on their website, or you can look through their Amazon. The Amazon is the link I'm going to share below, but they do have the actual website. You might be able to get like the full bottles if you really like the color and wanted to do your full nail. But that's why I did like this marble, because you really don't use a lot of polish at all, because you're mixing the colors and base coat. And I didn't even do a full marble nail. So yeah. This one was my favorite nail. The pink and blue just looked so pretty to me. I really like those colors. This one was kind of giving McDonald's. Like, I don't know, like I'm loving it, but also McDonald's. But here, that's what I was figuring. I was trying to actually figure out which hand was which, because my hands are different sizes. On some, literally, my pointer, middle finger, and ring finger are all the same. In one hand, they're not, because my middle finger is wider and my ring finger is like thinner. So I was like, which hand was which? I need to write on them so I remember. Because if I were to ever like make nails from someone else, like I know other people's hands are like that too. I could get away with using all the same size. I might just have to file it down. But oh my God. These tips, you guys, like I know this video is about this gel polish, but those tips, man, they're already etched. Like I don't have an e-file. Love them so much. They're the perfect length. Oh, I'm gonna let you know, because it's not in this video, I filed a bunch of these nails. If you guys watched my other marble video, because you're using so much base coat and everything, they get so lumpy. So I was filing for a while with the hand file to get them back square, and I think I did a good job. But you'll see at the bottoms it's like bulking up. I filed them. It doesn't look like that in the end. Both hands were filed down, because again, I'm actually wearing these out. So just make sure you do that. I did clean up on like while I was doing it, but you really do like need to file. That's how like people are getting like their press-ons really crisp. And yeah, I really like how these turned out. The colors were very, very vibrant. I put a top coat on, filed them down, and this was it, y'all. I'm gonna head to my dinner, and thank you again for watching. Bye.